Hello student, welcome to this lecture for algebra. In previous lecture, we have seen what is the composition of two functions f and g. Also, we have seen the inverse of function f. The definition was the inverse of the function if f is a function from x to y is a bijective function, then a function g from y to x called inverse of function f if g of y is equal to x whenever f of x is equal to y. Then g function is called inverse of the function f. Generally, this function g is also denoted by f inverse, f raised to minus 1. Relation as a function. We know the definition of relation. If we have two sets A and B, then relation R is subset of A cross B. If A and B are two sets, then a relation from set A to set B is the set of all ordered pairs that are contained in A cross B set. That is, R is subset of A cross B. What is A cross B? Set of all ordered pairs of the type AB, where A belongs to A set and B belongs to set B. Now we consider the definition of function by using the definition of relation. A relation is a function if and only that satisfies the two properties. A relation R from a set X to set Y is a function from X to Y if and only if, first point, for each x belongs to x, there exists y belongs to y, where ordered pair xy belongs to R. And second point is, if x y1 and x y2 belongs to R, then y1 equal to y2. Means if an element x is related to two elements of set Y, then that elements are equal. If we have a relation R, then it will be a function from set X to Y if and only if that satisfies the two conditions. First, for each x belongs to x, there exists some y belongs to y, where f of x is equal to y, or ordered pair xy belongs to R. Second point is, if two ordered pairs xy1 and xy2 belongs to relation R, then y1 and y2 should be equal. That is, if one element of the set X is related to two elements of set Y, then that two elements should be equal elements. Then R relation is a function from set X to Y. We will see some example. Which of the following relations are functions? First, functions on set where set X is equal to A, B, C, D, set of 4 elements, Y is equal to set of 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. First is F relation is defined by A1 ordered pair, B2 ordered pair, C2 and ordered pair D3. Second, G relation is defined by ordered pair A1 ordered pair A2, B3, C2, D1. And third function H is given as ordered pair A1, B2, C3. Then we determine which of the given relations are functions from the set X to the set Y. See, relation F is given as set of 4 ordered pairs A1, B2, C2, D3. What is the rule? Any relation is a function from X to Y if for each X belongs to X, there exists Y belongs to Y. Which are the elements of set X? There are 4 elements A, B, C, D, and the set Y contains 3 elements 1, 2, 3. These are sets X and Y. This is set X and this is set Y. Hence, if this relation defines a relation from X to Y, then every element from set X should be related to some element of set Y. Then the relation will be function. Then relation considered as a function. See, A element, B, C and D. All 4 elements of this set X are related to some elements of set Y, 1, 2 and 3. A, B, C, D from the set X are related to some elements of set Y which are 1, 2, 3. A is related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 2, again D related to 3. And second condition is what? If xy1 and xy2, means if single element is related to 2 elements of the set Y, if one element of set X is related to 2 elements of set Y, then that 2 elements should be equal. Here, every element of set X is related to only one element of set Y, unique element of set Y. Hence, this relation is a function. As for each X belongs to set X, or we also say for each element of set X, there is an element in set Y. For each element X of the set X, there is an element Y in Y where the ordered pair XY belongs to F. Therefore, F is a function. second relation is given as G is equal to ordered pair A1, A2, B, C, B3, then C2 and D1. This is a relation from set X to Y because this is a subset of X cross Y. See, every element of set X, what is the first point? For each element of X, there exists Y belongs to Y, where ordered pair XY belongs to R. Here given function is G, and A, B, C and D. All four elements of set X are assigned to some elements, are related to some elements of Y. A, B, C and D from set X are related to some element of Y. What is the second point? If the ordered pair xy1 and xy2 means an element from set X is related to two different elements. A1, A is related to 1 and A is related to 2. A, ordered pair A1 and A2 belongs to relation G. But these two elements to which A is related, A1 ordered pair belongs to set G, means A is related to element 1, also A is related to element 2. But these two elements to which A is related, namely 1 and 2, are distinct elements of the set Y, as A1 and A2 belongs to G, but 1 is not equal to 2 in set Y. 1 and 2 are distinct elements. This means what? 1 and 2 are distinct elements. Of set Y. What is the second point? Definition of function. If xy1 and xy2 belongs to R, then y1 equal to y2. Here a1 and a2, x value is a and y1 value is 1, y2 value is 2. xy1 and xy2 belongs to R, but y1 is not equal to y2. 1 and 2 are not same. That are distinct elements of set Y. Hence, the relation G is not a function from X to Y. Last relation is given as H. It is defined by ordered pairs A1, B2, C3. X set contains 4 elements A, B, C, D. The first point of this definition is for each X belongs to X, there exists Y belongs to Y. Means every element of set X should be related to some element of Y. Here only 3 elements are related to elements of Y. A related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 3. But the element D belonging to set X is not related to any element of set Y. Hence, this relation H is not a function from X to Y. H is a relation from X to Y because it is subset of X cross Y, but this is not a function from X to Y because the element of X, namely D, is not related under this relation H to any element of set Y. Hence, this relation is not a function. H is not a function. Since the element D belongs to X is not related to any element of Y. Now the question is, if we are given two sets X and Y, then how many relations from X to Y are possible that are functions? For example, if set A contains n number of elements, set B contains m number of elements, then number of functions from set A to B are m raised to n. For example, find all possible relations from set A equal to x, y, z to the set B equal to AB, which are functions. If A set contains n elements, B set contains m elements, then number of possible relations from set A to B that are functions are m raised to n. Here A set is given a set of 3 elements, hence cardinality of A equal to 3. B set contains 2 elements, cardinality of B equal to 2. Then number of possible functions from set A to B is 2 to the power 3, because m value is 2 here and n value is 3. Hence there are 2 raised to 3, that is 8 functions possible from A to B. We write that functions, suppose the first relation is defined as f1 is given by, what is the definition of function? Each element of set A is related to some element of set B. Each element of set A means every element of set A should related to some element of set B. If one element of set A related to 2 elements of set B, then that 2 elements should be same. First possible relation, that is function, is given as, see, we have 3 elements of set A. Hence there are, for each element there are 2 choices, x, y and z. Here there are 2 elements which are A and B. These are 3 elements of the set A. This is set B. X element has 2 choices, either x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Then again y element has 2 choices, y is related to A or y is related to B. Z also have 2 choices, z related to A and in another case z related to B. Hence we have 2 into 2 into 2. Possible functions, we write that functions as f1 we write that functions in terms of relations, means in terms of ordered pairs. f1 contains the element, we should have all the elements of set A related to some element of set B. Means x have some image in B, y related to some element in B, also z related to some element in B. We can assign these elements from set A to any element of set B. Suppose x related to A, y related to A, z related to A. Only it is sufficient that if we assign each element, if each element of set A related to some element of set B. Here all these elements of set A related to one element of set B, that is A. f2 is a function defined by x related to A, y related to A and z related to B. Here only z is related to B in above function f1, z related to A. Now we change these functions by changing the images of elements of set A. f3 is equal to x related to A, y related to B, z related to A. f4 is the function which is in in the form of relation defined by x related to b, y related to a, again z related to a. F5 is defined by x related to a, y related to b, z related to b. F6 is the function defined by x related to b, y related to b, z related to a. Then F7 is seventh function defined by x related to b, y related to a, and z related to b. And the last function from set A to B is given as x related to b, y related to b, and z related to b. We have written these functions by considering distinct images of elements of set A, and that images belongs to set B. The images may be same or distinct for that three elements of set A. In first function, all these three elements of set A have same image in set B. In second function, first two elements x and y have same image, that is A, and z is related to B. The image of element z is B. In third function, x and z have same images, that is A, and y takes different element, that is f of y is equal to b. See, as we are writing x, A belongs to f1. From this function, ordered pair x, A belongs to f1. Then we can write this also, f1 of A, f1 of x is equal to A. Because xa ordered pair belongs to function f1, means x is related to A. As x is related to A under the function f, then f of x is equal to A. The meaning of ya belongs to f1 is f of y is equal to A. The meaning of za belongs to f1 is f of z is equal to A. In first function means what? We are defining a function f1 from set A to B by f of xa belongs to f1 means f of x is equal to A, f of y, ya belongs to f1 means f of y is equal to A, and this is for first function. za belongs to f1 means f of z is equal to A. This is the first function which is defined by f1, which is denoted by f1. In the same way we denote other functions by f2, f3, f4, f5, f6 and f7, f8. There are total 8 functions because cardinality of b is equal to 2 and cardinality of a equal to 3, as cardinality of a equal to 3 and cardinality of b equal to 2, then there are 2 raised to 3 functions. Possible from set A to set B. Thank you.